Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to translate your WooCommerce checkout page, cart page, shop page, and product page. This is incredibly useful if you're running a multilingual store or want to cater to customers in different regions. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. This will bring you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site. Once you're in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. When you click this, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From those options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugins library where you can browse and install tools to enhance your WooCommerce functionality. On the plugins page, you'll see a wide variety of plugins available for your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top and type in Translate. From the search results, look for a plugin called Loco Translate. Click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This plugin is essential because it allows you to translate individual pages and text strings within WooCommerce without editing code directly. Once you're ready, click Install Now. The installation might take a moment, so be patient while WordPress processes everything. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Activate button appear. Click on Activate to enable the plugin. Now that the plugin is activated, look at the left navigation menu again and click on Loco Translate. This is the plugin we just installed a moment ago. When you open it, you'll see a list of all the plugins currently running under your WordPress account. Click on WooCommerce, since this is where the checkout, cart, shop, and product pages are located. This step is crucial because it directs Loco Translate to focus on translating WooCommerce-specific elements. Under the WooCommerce translation page, click on Edit Template. This opens up the translation interface where you can begin customizing the text. Now, under the source text section, look for the specific pages you wish to translate. For this tutorial, we'll select the Express Checkout option as an example. You'll see the source text displayed in English. Now, you need to enter the equivalent translation in your desired language under the context editor. Take your time here to ensure accuracy, as these translations will be visible to your customers. Once you've added your translation, click on Save to apply the changes. And that's it. You've successfully translated key pages in your WooCommerce store, making your site more accessible to a global audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.